and how we can use it to establish a personalized digital employee for ourselves. So every rocket needs a launchpad. You aren't going to launch a rocket from a swamp. You need to have a launch pad upon which you will fix the rocket and you will launch it into the high skies. The launch pad that we need for this OpenClaw is Node.js. Node.js is a runtime, a kind of server, a program that makes your computer a server and turns it into kind of supercomputer. So let us configure how we can install this Node.js on our computer. First of all, go to its website. We will be heading directly to the Get.js Node button once we arrive here. There are several options of how we can install it. We'll just get the Windows installer, have it. Once it's completed, we are going to launch the installer wizard, and it will automatically establish its presence on our PC, all configured by itself. Pretty fast. Why is it opening? So this is the wizard that will open once you download the installer. You just have to click the next buttons. As I have my Node.js already installed here, I'm not going to install it again. I'm just going to give you the glance of what comes next. We are going to open the command prompt, and then we are going to see whether Node.js is there or not. Node version. We are checking the version. Here it is, 24.12.0, means Node has got its presence on our computer. Next, we are going to run the command of installing on general OpenClaw. So we have Brian into a problem. Okay, so we need to have npm command first before npm install generalized OpenClaw. And here it is. npm stands for Node.js Package Manager. It's the employee of Node.js that handles virtually the HR of libraries that JavaScript does have in its environment. It will take a bit longer because it's a heavy library. I'm going to finish the video. Once I have installed, I will let you know in the next video what happens next. Thank you very much for being with me and knowing how to establish the launchpad of the rocket called OpenClaw. Thank you.